Hi guys, welcome back. So today I want to try a bloom technique. I've been struggling with it for a while, but I think I might have found what I needed. So my base is a white house paint with a little bit of open time extender. Then I've got my colors mixed with 2 parts untinted base paint in a gloss and 1 part varnish, and then just added my colors. This is an Amsterdam phthalo blue with just a little bit of pearl white in it. Then I've got Lucas Gold, also with the same pouring medium. And Amsterdam Permanent Blue Violet. Also with a little bit of pearl in it. And then I mixed a turquoise. And I mixed it with phthalo blue, primary yellow, and a little bit of carmine. And then I've got my cell activator. That's titanium white from Amsterdam and water. Just water. So I'm gonna blow it out. See? It's coming. Just gonna blow this a little bit. Okay. So I'm gonna wait for the paint to release a little bit. Okay. Let's see if I can stretch it just a little bit. Maybe I don't want to do this on my spinner. I'm gonna take my spinner away. I think I'm on the right track. So thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!